FabriVU How to Fix Image Distortion. Image distortion is the change in size of a print due to the stretch or shrink of the media. It is also known as media shrink or media stretch. This is most common when printing on fabrics. The sublimation heat process can cause image stretch distortion when heated and put under pressure, or the process can cause shrink image distortion when heated too much. Image distortion can be identified by media output that is unexpectedly too long or too short. For example, a starting native art file measures 15 inches by 10 inches. The actual printed and sublimated image measures 16 inches by 9.75 inches. So the file elongated in one dimension from 15 to 16 inches and shrank in the other dimension from 10 inches to 9.75 inches as a result of heat and pressure applied during print and sublimation. In this example, note the original 15-inch by 10-inch image size in the FabriVU job editor. The printed image may show distortion when measured, in this case 16 inches by 9.75 inches. If the printed image size does not match the native file image size, image distortion is present. Solutions for image distortion. There are solutions for image distortion that can correct the condition. These include reducing dancer pressure during print or sublimation, reducing temperature during print or sublimation, or using the FabriVU media correction feature. Reducing pressure. Reducing the dancer bar pressure may help reduce image distortion. This will reduce the tension on the media during print. Adjusting dancer pressure is done on the FabriVU Siemens control panel. Machine accessories, set pressure. Reduce the pressure values in 0.1 or 10% increments until image distortion is corrected. Reducing temperature. Some medias may shrink when heated. Reducing the FabriVU heat plate temperature may help reduce image distortion. This may prevent some media from shrinking. Adjusting temperature is done on the FabriVU Siemens control panel, machine accessories, heating plate, set field. Reduce the temperature in 5-degree increments until the image distortion is corrected. FabriVU media size correction. The media size correction feature in FabriVU can be used to change the size of the ripped image. This change automatically compensates for the difference in size between the native file and the measured printed file. In this example, the native file measuring 15 inches by 10 inches prints and sublimates at a measured 16 inches by 9.75 inches. In FabriVU Job Editor Media Size Correction, enter the target value of the native file, 15 by 10 inches, and the actual value of the printed and measured file, 16 inches by 9.75 inches. FabriVU will adjust the size of the ripped file to match the printed size with the native art size. The preview in FabriVU will not be affected. In FabriVU Media Size Correction, when the target and actual values are entered, the correction percentage values will be calculated and displayed. Although noted as millimeters in the application, FabriVU will calculate entered values of any unit of measure. Media corrections can be applied to every job by adding the correction to media defined in FabriVU Server Manager. This can be useful if a workflow is designed for a particular media and the image distortion is consistent on this media. To apply media size correction in Server Manager, select Media, then Media Correction found in the Media Settings section. Enter the representative target, actual, and correction values and save. Using FabriVU Media Size Correction, adjust the output file for an accurate print. This concludes FabriVU How to Fix Image Distortion. Now let's check what you've learned.